Hi friends, so this video shows how to download and install Python 3.8.3 on Windows 10. Go to python.org, then click on downloads. So here you can see download Python 3.8.3. Click on this, then save this file. I already downloaded this file. So this is the file. Right click on that, then click on open. Then in this window here you can see add Python 3.8 to path. Click on this checkbox, then click on install now, then click on yes. See, now it's installing, so please wait. Now it's installing documentation utilities. So it's installing pip, you can see pip bootstrap. Okay, installation completed. Click on close. So then click on start. Here you can see Python 3.8 IDE, module docs, manuals, and Python 3.8. Let me click on Python 3.8. So it will open console. You can see here. Next, I am going to open IDE. So this is the IDE, Python 3.8 shell. So let me open CMD, and then if we type here Python, so by default it will open. See, it's opened Python 3.8.3. So this way we can download and install Python 3.8.3 on Windows 10. So let me check the version of pip-v. So pip 19, it's automatically installed, and here you can see the path, location of pip binary. Similarly, you can also check the version of Python. Just type Python -V. You can see here the version. So if you want to install some package, you can install pip install. So let me make it bigger. So you can install like this, pip install, for example, quickest. This is quickest package. It's installed. So if you want to uninstall it, you can just do pip uninstall. Type y and press enter. Okay, uninstalled.